So, as always, I begin with the wheels by spraying them with all-purpose cleaner, give the tyres a good old scrub, and then I begin cleaning the face of the alloys. Oh, and please excuse the bum crack that I slowly expose as the video goes on. Whoops. Good old Butterfingers. This part I am rinsing off the tyre that the tyre brush and the APC had lifted. And then I crack on to giving the face of the alloy wheel a scrub with the microfiber mitt and some car shampoo. And one last wheel rinse. And now it's time for the body rinse. Some nice slow calm music for that lovely snow foam action. In this part, I am using a microfiber wash mitt with the 2-bucket method to wipe down the car with Auto Glim's pure shampoo. When using a microfiber towel or cloth, always make sure you rip off the tag, otherwise it could cause micro scratches within your paint. And look at the results, absolutely stunning.